Hey YouTubers, RB Junkie. Today I'm going to talk about what I use to edit my film, and you guys already know that I use the GoPro Karma with the Hero 6, and I just wish they continue making it. I mean, I wish they made it better and stuff, but I guess they didn't. So I'm gonna have to move away from it, and move to DJI. I did get a Phantom 4 Pro, and I also want to talk about this box here, which is a GNARBOX, and this is what I use to edit all my film and color correct and everything, and I love it. I mean, I love it. I use it for still photography also, but with still photography I use the Lightroom CC mobile, and I don't even use a computer. I do not use a computer, and I love this thing. But yeah, next video I'll probably talk about what camera I use and what lenses and stuff. So stay tuned, and please like and subscribe my channel, and if you haven't gotten one of these, get one. You'll love it. I mean, you'll really like it. So but thank you for watching my videos and films. So if you have anything to say or any comments, just leave them below. But thank you guys for supporting my channel, and have a good day.